Interface is an electrical circuit, or we can say a program that connects a device or a system to another device or system. Different interfaces are developed for different hardwares in different times, and SATA is one of them. The Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, in short, SATA is an interface that allows a storage drive, especially hard drive, SSD and a DVD drive, to connect it to a computer's motherboard. It uses one data cable to transfer data and one power cable to supply power to the drive. Multiple revisions of this interface have been developed to allow for increasing capacity and bandwidth. The first revision was named as SATA 1.5 Gbps, which was developed in the year 2003. So this revision of SATA is seen on the older motherboards. As the name suggests, its data transfer speed was 1.5 Gbps. Here, GB means gigabit, not gigabyte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 1.5 gigabit is equal to 187.5 megabyte. But due to encoding of 8 bits into 10 bits, this revision can have a maximum bandwidth of 150 Mbps. It was the first revision of SATA, so it is called as a SATA1 later. According to some of the then computer users, the ports of SATA1 on the motherboard were very weak and had not any locking system in the beginning, and hence connection got lost when motherboard got shaken. Along with this, it was just a little bit faster than PETA interface. So to get over all these limitations, second revision of SATA was released in the next year. This revision was named as SATA3 Gbps, also called SATA2, which data transfer speed was 2 times faster than SATA1, that is 300 Mbps. This revision was better from the point of durability, locking mechanism, and speed than the previous revision, and so it lasted for some years. It was enough for 7200 RPM hard drives, but it bottlenecked the speed of SSDs. So, in 2009, the third revision of this interface was released and named as SATA6 Gbps, also called SATA3. It was 2 times faster than SATA2 and 4 times faster than SATA1, and that is 600 Mbps. This revision of SATA interface is far better than previous 2 revisions, and still 2.5 inches SSDs are being manufactured with a SATA3 interface because of its popularity. One thing you need not worry about SATA interface, and that is compatibility. SATA is completely forward and backward compatible, which allows us to connect different revision of SATA drive with a different revision of SATA port. But data transfer speed will be scaled down to the highest common bandwidth between the drive and the port. For example, if you connect a SATA3 SSD, which max bandwidth is 600 Mbps, to a SATA1 port, which max bandwidth is 150 Mbps, then it will work fine, but data will transfer at a speed of 150 Mbps. Same thing happens if you connect a SATA2 SSD, which max bandwidth is 300 Mbps, to a SATA3 port, which max bandwidth is 600 Mbps, data will transfer at the speed of 300 Mbps, not in 600 Mbps. This is all about SATA.